to my channel. So today oh my god, it's been a long time, but I'm not recording on my camera. I'm recording on my phone, so if it looks weird or if I'm looking differently, because it's just totally different. But yeah, my camera is dead. I haven't been using it, well, as you know, for a long time because I haven't been recording. But yeah, so today I just wanted to come back to the makeup field, and I wanted to create something with this palette. I got it last year actually, and I never filmed anything with it because I don't know, I'm just not motivated enough to do a video. So I'm sorry, I apologize, but now I'm back and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. But yeah, so I used it for New Year's actually, this palette, but I only used 2 colors from this palette. As you can see, it still looks new. You can't even tell what colors I used, but yeah, I just wanted to see what I could come up with with this palette. So yeah, and oh my god, I look so dead. Like my nails I gotta get them done. I have all these gray hairs coming through. It's not looking good. So yeah, let's get started. I already did my eyebrows, and so yeah, I look dead. I'm so sorry, I look dead. So I am done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video if you want. But for the last two finishing touches, I used the House of Lashes, I guess Fairy Light, Noir Fairy Light lashes. I used those as my lashes, as you see. And then for my lip, I just used the Kat Von D bow and arrow. I love this one. But yeah, so this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm gonna try to post as much videos as I can. I'm not gonna promise, but whenever I'm free, I'll post as much as I can, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video again, and I'll see you guys in my next one.